Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So this car is 4 Series BMW F32 420i. So this is not an M Sport, but all the tail lights in F32 M Sport and F36, if the car is not M Sport, all the same. So I'm gonna tell you that step by step how to change the tail lights. So I have bought these tail lights, which is very good. It's make a good pattern. So this is called a dragon style tail lights. So I bought it from eBay. So let me tell you step by step how to remove this one. You need this tool for that, yeah. So it's very simple. Just take it off and taking off this one. So as you can see that these are 10 mm screws here. You need cordless for that. Yeah, needs to lose it. Be careful with the screws. You need to take care of the screws. It's very simple. Put the hands over there. After that, that's it. So left side will taken off. So same as you need to do in right side. As I show you that I've taken off the outer side, so you need to take off the inner side as well. These are inner tail lights. So first step is taking off this one. Yeah, there are screws at the back. These are the screws. You need that. So these ones I have removed it. Let me show you the trick to remove this one. It's very easy. It's a bit loose. Yeah. After that, put this tool in. Yeah, taken off. After the step, this one needs to remove it. Yeah. So this will come off automatically. So you need 8 mm long socket. Let me pick the socket. Because there's only one screw. This one is a long 8 mm socket. So as you can see that's the socket. That is 8 mm socket. You need to remove this one on both sides. Yeah, and remove these ones. Yeah, and then pluck it off from upside. It's a bit like you can lose it by this one as well. Be careful with that, so your paint will be not hard. Yeah, just a little bit. So same as you need to do in the left side as well. Thank you. So these are the brand new lights, dragon style. It make combinations, yeah. So after finishing the tail lights, so I'll show you that how to make a good combination, and these are very excellent lights. So so these are the procedure you need to follow as well. So you just need to fitting first. After removing all the old tail lights, you need to fit inner tail light first, and after the outer. Yeah, so for inner you need to remove this one. Yeah, take care of that. All these plastic parts comes off, and this one. these clips, these key clips will be stuck here as well. That's it. And after that, the plastic part which you removed it, you need to tuck in. Yeah, like that. So these this is fit. So same as you need to do inside right side as well. That's it. It's fit now. So same as you need to do inside left side as well. So as you can see there, I've already successfully fit all the inner light on both sides. So after that, these registers come with the light. These gives actually a good the power. These are the almost a power banks to these lights. So you need to take off these, and you need to paste this in a stable place. So you can stick this one inside anywhere else. You can, so anywhere, wherever you want, you can stick it. So I'm sticking one over here, and other one I'm sticking here. So you can stick anywhere else. So it's your choice, guys. Wherever you find a good space and your hands are easy accessible, you can. So this one going on this side, you can see that. Yeah, same as on the side, you need to do it. So while fitting it, you need to take care of that every single wire you need to fix it. So this is, you can leave it because these are aftermarket lights, so they make for left hand drive as well. I think this is for, this one is a left hand drive one, so you can fit in right hand drive one as well, but no need to do with anything. You need to keep this one in because this one you need to connect with the single wire with outer light. Yeah, so you can buy these ones ropes from anywhere in the market when very cheap price, and £1 cost in Poundland as well, you can get it. And this one, because while fitting you, these one not to be extra for outer light, because I will show you the wire comes from here as well. So you need to remove this one, it was here. Yeah, so I have already removed it. So there was only one. Yeah, just needs little bit pressure, just need a little bit, so you can, your wire can go through here. So this is outer light, so I'm gonna connect the left side first. So as you can see that this wire will be connect with this wire, so this wire will goes like that from inside and here. Yeah, so let me connect this one in. Yeah, it's in. And because that's why they have given this space. So this is fit. Let me screw it. So as you can see, the wire length is very good. So this wire will go like that. This wire will be go from here. So like that. So to make a pattern, as you can see that this wire needs to connect with this wire. Yeah. So easy. So after that, you need to do with the black tapes and tighten up this wire, and that's it. You need to do it. So as you see that I have successfully connected the wires, and wires goes like that. So you can use the black tapes as well to do like that. That's the only way you can do that. The wire will be come from here, and the extra wire you can bound it with any rope and put it under it. So most of you guys thinking that the wire will be cut, because this rubber will save this wire, so it's not gonna go anywhere, because I'm doing this job from last so many years, so I know that. So that's why this wire will not go anywhere. So that's that's the same process you need to follow on the right side, and after finishing I will show you the how the wires will look like that. Yeah, and how the lights will be work like that. Thank you. So as you can see that I have done the lights and closed everything. So I have shown you in a video that how to open and how to lose everything, these trims. So you can follow the video, and you can close in same as I open it. So this one, that's the light, how it look like that. So this is the pattern of the light. So as you can see that it makes a dragon style design. So these are the function of the light. So it looks amazing. So this is the light. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel, and follow me please to make more. I will update more and more videos in futures, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.